Hi gorgeous! Today we are transforming light brown hair with a natural dark blonde into a beautiful blending of dimension tone all in one sessions. Take a look at her hair. Her natural color is around level 6 dark blonde, and she's asking for a soft, low maintenance look with a mix of natural blonde, dark blonde, and soft brown tones. The goal is to make her growing out smooth and seamless. So as always, I'm starting by spraying K18 hair mist before the bleach process. You don't need to rinse it, just wait 4 minutes. It helps prevent new damage during and after the service. And you will see real results in just 4 minutes. Once that's set, we are ready to move on to lightening. So for today highlight, I'm using Wella Blonder 7 Lightener with a 20 volume developer to do full head highlights. Since her natural hair is level 6 and we are keeping things gentle, so 20 or 25 volume is all we need. No need to go higher than 25 volume. Because her hair texture is fine to medium, so this will lift her hair to a soft yellow blonde beige, just right for our dimension blend. So, if you have passion to learn from me, watch closely and stay with me throughout the sessions. I will be sharing my full technique step by step from how I prepare the hair, mix the bleach, and apply full head highlight from different angles this time. So whether you are a beginner or just love watching hair transformations, there are lots you can pick up from today's video. Let's go! You might see this little chunkier area here. That's actually from the strand test we did it last time during our consultations. I didn't foil that section again today since it had already been processed before because I don't want to damage her previous bleach hair. So we are focusing on bleaching all of her virgin hair using a classic full head weaving highlight technique. Apply bleach close to the scalp. Make sure the highlight is so fine instead of chunky highlight. These approaches help brightening her roots and blending the top section beautifully for seamless. Now take a look at the sections. Make sure to take quarter-inch section when you are doing highlight on the sides. Why? Because the side part is very noticeable. If the highlights are too thick or chunky, it won't look natural and will stand out too much. Yes. And keeping the section are fine and even help the highlight blending beautifully, especially around the face and hairline. And this time, I really want to emphasize her front hairline area, so I'm using slicing instead of weaving on the forehead sections. So this is the key move of the kick that makes the face frame pop and give the brightening finish around the front area. It adds just the right amount of the brightness without looking overdone. So I will folding the foil to be close to the root area so body heat help the process to speed up the front root to hair ends to lightening up to be a yellow base. We will definitely using here for 30 minutes to 45 minutes on both sides. Are you ready to check out with me? After bleaching, look at this yellow tone. Look at this beautiful warm yellow base with dark dimensions. I already feel so much better seeing the hair lightening. And let me check the other section. Wow, I already feel so good. Because knowing that the hardest part is done. We are also using vanilla purple shampoo, letting it penetrate well while massaging it into the washout all the bleach instead of re-bleaching. This product helps hair slightly lightening up and remove warm tones. I'm super proud of myself. Let's talk about the hair colors shortly. We are mixing two different color formula to blend from dark blonde at the root to dark light blonde at the ends. Let me quickly explain the lighter hair color formula I used for her hair ends first, since we are a bit behind showing that part in the video. For the rest of the hair, 7-1 medium ashy blonde from Wella Koleston plus 8N from Wella Perfect 1:1 ratio with a 0 volume developer. For the root, I mixed Wella Perfect 6N with a Pravana 6A using 6 volume developer. This formula helped matching her natural level 6 dark blonde, while the ashy tone from 6A softer any warm tone it. So it created seamless blending between her natural hair and the new highlight, giving her that natural blonde look with a dark dimension depth that's so perfect for low maintenance screwing up. For the rest of the hair ends, I wanted to keep things soft and blended, so I used a lighter blonde formula to add brightness and dimensions without any making it too dramatic. This helped everything melt together beautifully, especially after the highlight. I love this part so much. So I love to share how I apply colormelt on my clients' hair. Please stay with me. We are almost done with the Sohea transformations. Thank you so much for staying with me so far. So excited to shampoo her hair now. Just look at this beautiful natural blonde with a dark blonde dimension and say hi to my amazing assistant Ray. I'm so lucky to have him on my team. This was her before, no dimension, just a mix of dark brown and dull dark blonde. But after 5 hours of full head highlight and seamless color melt with Miss Sohea, we brought her hair to life. I absolutely love this natural dimension dark blonde visual, and honestly, my client looks so beautiful like model. I feel so lucky to have her in my chair. Thank you for watching. See you next time.